In today's fast-paced world, culinary enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals are constantly seeking innovative ways to enjoy delicious meals without compromising their well-being. Enter air fryers, the kitchen appliance revolutionizing the way we cook. In this comprehensive review, we will unveil the best air fryers on the market, unlocking a world of guilt-free, crispy delights for you to savor. Air fryers are culinary game-changers, using hot air circulation to mimic the effects of deep frying with a fraction of the oil. They're not just about health, they're about convenience and versatility. We'll explore the top models that offer various cooking functions, sizes, and sleek designs, ensuring there's an ideal choice for every kitchen. Our review will delve into the performance, ease of use, cooking capacity, and additional features of these air fryers, providing you with invaluable insights to make an informed purchase. Whether you're looking to whip up a batch of crispy fries, roast vegetables, or even bake a cake, these air fryers have got you covered. If you're passionate about healthy cooking and want to discover the best air fryer for your needs, this review is your culinary compass. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering reviews and cooking tips. Join us on this flavorful journey towards a healthier, tastier lifestyle. In the ever-expanding world of air fryers, Instant Pot has emerged as a prominent contender, securing its rightful place as the third-ranked appliance in our assessments. It distinguishes itself through advanced technology that orchestrates a top-down airflow, consistently delivering perfect golden finishes and irresistibly crispy, tender results with each use. Instant Pot's claim to fame lies in its versatile range of customizable cooking programs, simplifying the preparation of an array of dishes, from one-touch wings and roasted veggies to garlicky potatoes, cookies, and the comforting aroma of cinnamon buns. Notably, it minimizes the preheating time, offering the convenience of transforming frozen ingredients into golden culinary delights within minutes. With a temperature range spanning from 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer equips you with precise control to craft gourmet meals. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, making it an ideal choice for quick, delicious meals, encompassing everything from delectable side dishes to mouth-watering appetizers and wings. The Instant Pot air fryer also boasts an added advantage of accessibility through a free downloadable app, available on both iOS and Android platforms, allowing you to create new favorites and savor delicious meals with ease. Furthermore, it integrates built-in safety features including overheat protection and an auto-off function, ensuring your cooking experience remains worry-free. With its streamlined design, this appliance effortlessly combines function and style, fitting seamlessly on your kitchen countertop. The Instant Pot air fryer excels with customizable programs, rapid preheating, safety features, but its limited capacity may pose a challenge for larger gatherings. In the competitive realm of air fryers, Ninja confidently secures the well-deserved second spot in our rankings. This appliance brings a revolution in the culinary landscape, offering a healthier way to indulge in your favorite fried foods. One of the most remarkable features of the Ninja air fryer is its ability to deliver a substantial reduction in fat consumption, boasting up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. To validate this claim, it was tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, proving that you can savor the crispy delights you love with far less guilt. What truly sets the Ninja air fryer apart is its capability to superheat air up to 450 degrees, resulting in cooking that's up to 30% faster than its predecessor, the Ninja AF100. This translates to dishes that are not only quicker to prepare but also hotter and crispier, all with minimal oil, ensuring your fried favorites retain their full flavor. The Ninja air fryer boasts a spacious 5.5-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate, accommodating up to 3 pounds of delectable French fries or succulent chicken wings. Additionally, it offers a versatile array of 7 cooking programs including Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate, providing a wide range of culinary possibilities. When it comes to cleanup, this air fryer's non-stick ceramic basket is dishwasher safe, making your post-cooking routine a breeze. With its promise of healthier indulgence and rapid cooking without compromising on flavor, the Ninja air fryer has undoubtedly earned its place in the limelight, embracing the evolving world of air frying. It's your gateway to enjoying crispy delights without the added guilt. The Ninja Air Fryer offers 75% less fat, rapid cooking, versatile programs, but its 5.5 quart capacity may be limited for larger gatherings. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button now. In the air fryer market, Instant Pot excels with unwavering innovation and excellence, solidifying its status as a prominent industry leader. With the Instant Pot dual air fryer, they've taken their dedication to the next level. This appliance introduces dual air fryer technology, featuring clear cook windows and an internal light, allowing you to effortlessly monitor the cooking progress without the need to open the baskets. Say goodbye to back-to-back cooking, as this air fryer's dual baskets enable you to prepare 2 separate meals, appetizers, or larger batches simultaneously. Sync Cook and Sync Finish functionalities offer the flexibility to cook with the same settings or distinct ones, while ensuring both baskets finish cooking at the same time. Instant Pot's advanced technology directs airflow from the top down, consistently producing that perfect golden finish and delightfully crispy, tender results. Customizable one-touch programs including wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and cinnamon buns cater to various culinary desires. This air fryer boasts an intuitive touchscreen interface with step-by-step instructions for each cooking stage, making it a breeze to use. Plus, the rapid preheating feature means you can go from frozen to golden perfection within minutes. The temperature range of 95 to 400 degree F allows for gourmet meal preparation. The Instant Pot Dual Air Fryer also comes with a free app, available on iOS and Android for creating new favorites and delicious meals. Cleanup is a cinch with non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays. Moreover, it incorporates built-in safety features including overheat protection and auto-off to ensure your peace of mind throughout your culinary adventures. The Instant Pot Dual Air Fryer offers unparalleled convenience with dual cooking baskets, precise temperature control, and customizable programs, making it a top choice for versatile and efficient cooking. In the world of air fryers, the Instant Pot Dual Air Fryer is undoubtedly a culinary game-changer, providing unparalleled convenience, versatility, and the promise of gourmet results in your very own kitchen. In the world of air fryers, these top contenders bring innovation and versatility to your kitchen. Explore healthier, delicious cooking options with the Instant Pot Dual Air Fryer. Share your thoughts, hit the like button, and subscribe for more exciting culinary insights on our channel.